Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to center align text your in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then you show the Word document file is text. Now in this video is I can say is from the center align text. Now select from the text option. Now for select, now going to the home menu option. Now click for the center align option. That is. Then again another text option. Now for select is the center align is the other process. Now click for the mouse right button option. Sorry. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the center align option. Then again another text option. Now for select, then center align text is the other process. Now keyboard press from the Ctrl A. That's it. Then you show the center align text in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.